Good morning, students. Today we will start a fresh chapter on sorry, second topic. We will continue our second topic, which is using QBasic. In this term, we will learn how this QBasic software works and what are the symbols. So there are three follows. QBasic has several types of store, and this one. So see, uh, QBasic it deals with program like keyboard programs. So keyboards is having alphabets, right? Numbers and symbols. So so here are how to use these symbols. For suppose we in name, suppose in male part we use sir, right? So and in female part we use miss. So why do this? Because English word have this kind of tense, right? This kind of rules to use in male part sir, and in female part we use miss. So we can't call a sir like miss, may I come in? No, right? This goes against the rule. So similarly, computer have different rules. In dollar, a string is set of character. So if we use this word, suppose dollar, it means we can use only characters like this one A, B, C, right? A, B, C. Only alphabets can be used using this word. And if we use this one, then this means an integer of whole number. Integer means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only this one 2, 3, 4. And if we use this notation, then it means real number with decimal. Suppose if we use this notation, it means we can use 1.2, 1.77 or anything. Okay, we can use this decimal part. So system command and file. So the software deals with these types: files, edit, view, and store. In files we can use new, pen, save as. So I think you are already familiar with this one. I don't think it is about the software. It's all about your programming. Okay, run a computer. So in order to run a program, there is a shortcut button, which is keyboard shift plus F5, shift plus F5. Or we can simply click on run, which is, so can you see this run here, run. Or using this run, or using this shift 5, it is the shortcut. Okay, now a statement and a command. So what does this statement means? A statement is a sentence with something a computer in QBasic language or instruction we come across a statement. So suppose we write something like, we used to give title, right? Title of a of anything. Suppose this chapter have its own title. What is it? Programming in QBasic. So similarly, computer program is also having a statement. They are called as they are called as statement. Okay, now suppose what these are the keywords. Okay, these were the computer keyword. Suppose English have him, her. To you, by using this combination, these are all combination of English, right? Similarly, computer is also a different keywords, like we need to give different designation. So rem means remark. Remark means what? To give a heading, like heading of the, yeah, like what is this program about, or what we are discussing about. So it will be done in your practical. So suppose RAM, program for election, program for electric bill. Like if we write RAM, so the syntax is, can you see this one? Syntax. So this one is the syntax. Okay, RAM. Then if we write RAM class 6 class 8. So this means that I will write something about class 8. So RAM means giving the title. Okay, giving the title. Now second one is let. So what does this let means? Let means assignment. Okay, suppose I want to write uh, Loma have have let loma let loma have 5 rupees. So what does this means? This means Loma is having 5 rupees, right? Similarly, computer makes a shortcut. Let L A M A equal to. So this means let Loma equal to 5. That means Loma is having 5. So we give Loma to 5. Let Loma have 5 in computer, simple computer, right? But in computer term, it will let means giving something, okay, assigning something. So here is some difference in variable, and so in order to take keywords, it one is this one, okay. Now here this is a program example. So here it will rem will be what will be the heading? Multiplication of 3 numbers, right? Multiplication of the rem means title, so title means multiplication of 3 numbers. Let a means a is having 5, b is having 5 6, sorry, c is having 6. So let b, so now let b, again let b, right? Again let b, a into b into c. So a into b into c, 5 6 are 30, 30 into 7, 7 was a century, 21, 210, right? Now b will be having 210. So let b dollar equal to volume. So this will print the address, this will print the address, okay. So now what does this dollar means? Let dollar means that alphabet, right? So here we, in order to use alphabets, we need dollar. So that means how will it print? So now the print will be like this. B dollar will be print volume, and b is what? 210, because we already said b multiplication of these 3, right? So now the statement will be like this: print b and c. So this above, so there are second, let's see the timing. Okay, now it's next class we will continue our classes. Thank you, that's all for today.